Hi, my name is Frank Gagnon for Windu. I think everybody understands today that the fight for climate change will not be won with subsidies or international agreement. There is only one solution to make massive change, and it's to produce clean, green energy cheaper than gas and coal. So how can we achieve that? We start with the idea that wind is free and it should be feasible. The problem is the installation cost of the wind turbine that make them too expensive for the moment. Giant wind turbine installation is $2.5 to $3 million per megawatt installed, which is huge amount. And with that, they produce electricity. The cost of production is from 8 to 10 cents per kilowatt, which is too expensive. We believe that if we make a smaller wind turbine, something like a size of a tree, and we use all standard components available everywhere on the market, we're going to be able to reduce the installation cost between $1.1 and $1.3 million per megawatt, which is half price. Then means we can produce electricity with this at 4 to 5 cents per kilowatt hour, directly competitive with coal and gas. And based on that concept, we have designed a modular wind turbine, which is a standard 10 kilowatt wind turbine that harnesses 20 square meters of wind. And the modular part is that we can exchange the turbine part, the head of it, and to make it more adapted to specific use. For example, we can make a 40 square meter wind turbine. So when there's low wind, we harness twice the size of wind, so we produce twice the energy. I think it's easy to understand. Of course, those kind of larger machines gonna be more fragile, and they're gonna have to be stopped at a lower speed. So standard wind turbine is generally stopped with a wind of 90 km per hour. A larger wind turbine, we're gonna stop the wind turbine at 60-65 km per hour. And even if we go larger, let's say 60 square meter, we're gonna stop the machine at, let's say, 50 or 45 km per hour wind. And this wind is not very often, so the apparatus is going to be very safe, but the energy production at the end of the year is going to be much more important. So we're going to make modular wind farm that's going to use several sizes of wind turbine to work together to use the best possible the wind profile of a site. And we expect to produce about 40-50%, the simulation we have done is 40-50% more electricity with the same installation. So we pass from 4-5 cents per kilowatt hour to 3.5 cents per kilowatt hour, because with the same cost of installation we produce more energy. Now, this concept has been verified by computer simulation, many hundreds of computer simulation, and it's been verified also on field with our prototype. So I think it's a good concept, and you should look at it a bit more. Thank you very much.